Hello, welcome to Green Days on the Patio. I am Robin and I am a small container gardener out on my patios. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of my gardening mistakes. I have a mint plant that is very root bound and I wanted to show you what I needed to do to correct that and separate the roots into three different planters. See all these? I don't know what I was thinking. I originally had this plant in here and it became very root bound. All the roots were really tightly wound. So I loosened it up, took half the bottom of the roots, exposed the main parts, and then reburied it in a bigger pot. However, you can still see that they're strangling the root ball. See? Let's shake off all of this. So where I'm pulling, you can see how that very long root was wrapped around that root ball, and it wasn't going upward, it was going down and all the way around and choking the plant. As of right now, what I'm going to do is feel around the plant to see where it's loosest so I don't cause too much damage and cause it too much trauma because of what it's already been through. So I'm going to pull it apart as best I can. And if you have any suggestions on how you do yours, please let me know in the comments. But as of right now, it's probably going to look a little rough, and I'm going to pull it apart until about maybe 3 or 4 plants. If I can get 4 out of it, that's what I'll do. But if not, it'll probably end up being about 3 plants. Now, I know there are a lot of gardeners who will, when they remove their plants, they remove all the roots as well. I don't have a problem with it because I know that those small roots will just break down into the soil and then add more nutrients. So I don't want to remove too many of them. I'm just going to take the plant and put it right back into where I got it from. So what I'm going to do is make a hole here. Let's move some of the soil out the way. This smells really good. This is a Mentha Canadensis, commonly known as a American wild mint. And I'm going to be using this for medicinal purposes. springtime again, y'all. And these birds are driving my cat crazy. She want to jump out and over in those trees and go get them, but I'm trying to keep her contained without, taking away her patio time. But Lord, she is mad, y'all. So all I'm really doing is just So this is the third separation of the plant. I'm putting it in this one. This one, I'm not so sure that it's going to stay in this container. I know that it is going to outgrow it probably quicker than the other two, but I'm just going to keep an eye on it. And when it starts to get bigger than this container, I'll just move it and I'll film it as well. But right now, I'm just going to put it in this one, cover it up lightly. It's not very dense at all, and it should be okay. Well, there you have it. This is how I tried to fix my mistake by planting a mint plant in a wrong container, and it became root bound. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.